this is Okada Hotel. So the location of Okada Hotel is in Parañaque City. So the rating of location of Okada Hotel is, yung location niya is 10 over 10. When it parts to airport, kasi malapit lang siya at mabilis lang siyang puntahan. Yan lang yung rating na nakuha namin sa location, 10 over 10. Kasi yung iba na location po ay hindi po namin mahanap. So, sa Okada Hotel, yung location niya pagdating sa airport is 10 over 10. So, Okada Manila received 2 5-star award from Forbes Travel Guide. Then, Forbes Travel Guide 5-star rating for 4th year in a row. So, yung Okada Hotel, meron siyang 5-star kasi nasunod niya po yung rules and regulation po ng isang hotel or isang establishment. So, let's go on to the cleanliness and upkeeping the structure. So, meron po kaming sa rating po meron po siyang 5 rating. As of place, gawa po yung room niya is clean and spacious, is big. So, yung bawat room po is elegant. So, kaya po siya may 5 ratings. Hindi lang po siya yung 5 rating. Meron dahil po yung bawat room niya is nakasanitize po. Yung bawat staff po, hindi po iniiwan yung dirty o bawat area ay meron po siyang staff na nakatoka para magkaroon ng sanitize and cleanliness. So, dito naman po tayo sa negative. Meron po siyang 1 rating. Gawa po ng hindi po siya satisfied sa pagpunta niya sa Okada. Then yung casino po, naka-feel po siya ng mabawang sigarilyo. Hindi lang po kasi lahat ng pupunta sa Okada Hotel Casino is approved po sa pagsisigarilyo kasi gawa po ng siguro kulang po yung ng health nila. So, the next one is transfer lang po yung niya. Dapat kasi more in consideration, please. Yun po yung sabi niya. Yung front desk staff room and food wherever since we went there, meron po silang, nag-provide naman po ng miles, pero nakulangan po sila, kaya po 3-star. Then, yung next naman po is 4-star. Okay naman po yung standard, hindi lang po nila perfect yung rating nila. Then next one is 7.6 over 10. Approved naman and very good. Yung degree and comfort, hindi po kami nakahanap ng mga tao na nag-rating. So, based po sa aming research, kung kami po mag-rate, maglalagay po kami ng 5 over 5. Kasi yung guest naman po na in-expect na pagpunta nila is may courtesy and respectful. Tapos, yung galaw po ng staff is professional according po sa rules and regulation po ng hotel. Then, yung pag-stay mo po yung quality service ng food, and the way na mag-select sila ng, tapos meron po silang so much amenities and you can enjoy all yung guest room nila. Tapos yung isa naman po is one rating lang po yung Dolby Hotel Experience is na-disappoint po sila kasi na-trick po sila kasi ang ina-expect nila dun sa picture is totoo. Then, yun nating katalay po, na-disappoint po sila kasi based po sa nakita nila is maganda po pero yung experience nila is hindi po maganda. Gawa po din yung room, hindi po malinis na as in, malinis po talaga.
Sa guest services naman po, based po sa picture, puro 5 ratings po sila kasi nagustuhan nila yung service nung Okada Hotel. Tapos nagustuhan din po nila yung mga staff kasi knowledgeable and friendly po sila. Tapos dun po sa guest services, may mga bumabalik po na guest kasi nasasatisfy sila sa service nung Okada Hotel. Next po is security and safety.
Security and safety. All areas in the integrated resort are also equipped with sanitation and safety equipment. Yung nga po, sinasabi po dito na sa mga entrance pa lang daw po, na-check na yung mga safety ng mga customer o tao po. Sa mga ratings naman po, halo-halo po ang mga nagbigay. Tulad po ang isa, 5 star. Sinasabi po dito na safe sa bike, solo ka lang mag-check-in or pumunta po doon. At 5 star siya kasi maraming mga food, restaurant, and may casino pa po. And para naman po sa 1 star, sinasabi po nila na nahaharas sila and na-judge sila na may ginagawang iba, kaya yun na. Next.
The prices is worth it and you can definitely feel the 5-star comfort. Just a small note, I've had better breakfast in other hotels. So sabi ng customer po sabi ng guest is, yung price naman po is worth it kasi okay naman po yung pagsaserve nila tsaka yung hotel po. Kaya worth it din po sila dun sa price ng hotel. Ito po yung mga prices. Deluxe room, tas lake view po siya is $188. Then kapag executive rooms, tas yung view naman po nun is full, $574. Kapag double rooms naman po is panoramic view naman po is $2,691. Kapag king rooms, park view, $318. Tas kapag other rooms po is courtyard view, $179. So, parang kapag holiday or weekends or weekdays, nag-iiba po ata yung price.